Quoting shouldn't be this hard, yet most CPQ systems are slow, rigid, and disconnected, dragging sales down with errors, delays, and endless manual work. At Everstage, we've helped revenue teams pay fairly and plan smarter. Now, we're adding quoting because ops teams deserve tools that make them faster today and more strategic to revenue tomorrow. Meet Everstage CPQ, the modern, context-aware quoting platform designed to replace outdated workflows with speed, intelligence, and buyer confidence. This is the new way to draft, define, and decide. With context-aware automation, Everstage pulls in the right data from your email, CRM, and deal conversations, instantly generating accurate first-cut quotes. No more wasted hours on manual entry. Enjoy a modern, intuitive experience. Reps create accurate quotes in minutes, while administrators set up and adapt complex pricing or approval rules with ease without coding or IT bottlenecks. And with an integrated deal room, everyone stays aligned. Decision makers see not just the numbers, but the context, proof, and business case, accelerating consensus and buyer confidence. Unlike legacy CPQs, Everstage doesn't just create quotes. It enforces profitability, automates approvals, and even integrates sales incentives so every deal moves forward smarter, faster, and stronger. With Everstage CPQ, quoting transforms from a painful bottleneck into a connected, confident buying experience. Ready to drive revenue transformation? Let's make it happen.